Now, characteristic of the Renaissance. I showed you the balance of that plus sign and then circles and squares. What we'll see today, I should go this way. What we'll see today are the characteristics of the Baroque. Let me just show you. So, with the Renaissance, we saw our use of composition to create balance and logic and harmony. If you're thinking, Miss Cortez, you didn't show us anything about perfect circles and perfect squares. I know, I'm going to show you today as a comparison with Baroque. I got it, don't worry, we'll get there. In the Baroque period, compositions are going to have more diagonal lines, which create a sense of instability, add drama to a scene, and we see lots of rectangles and ovals that create tension. And then gesture, what I mean by gesture is anytime that we're seeing somebody pointing or looking at us or looking up, that is going to be taken into consideration for how the artwork is directing us or giving us a message. We'll see that again today's class? No, we'll see that in our Italian Baroque Part 2 when we look at painting. So, what do I mean by the Baroque having this sense of instability, drama, or tension, diagonal lines? All right, so let me get my props. My props are a water bottle and a mug. Now, with a sense of drama or instability unknown with diagonal lines, think about this water bottle and imagine I'm going to be pouring myself a cup of water. All right, let me turn around. Now, I ask you, did I just pour the water in and I'm taking it down? Or am I about to pour the water in? You don't know because it's a diagonal line. Diagonal lines can go either way. They can be forever collapsing or rising. They're unstable. So a diagonal line in a composition, whether it's sculpture or painting or architecture, it creates this sense of instability. Is it rising from the bottom and falling, or is it rising from the top and falling? Oh, goodness gracious, you don't know. So keep an eye out because that's the Baroque. What does this mean for drama? Well, what am I doing? Oh, is it gonna go? Are you gonna pour some water? Oh, did you finish? I'm exaggerating, but that's the kind of questioning of drama. In terms of tension, I usually like to bring out a hair tie in class. And I say, okay, everybody, can you see this hair tie? It's a perfect circle, right? Perfect Renaissance circle. However, if I were to squeeze it, then it becomes an oval. If I were to pull it, it becomes an oval. What we see is that the flex or the tension applied to a circle creates an oval. Now let's think of another thing that there's tension. That religious war I was just telling you about. So the tension here in this oval, is it being squished or is it being stretched? It's ever in motion. It's dramatic. These are the characteristics of the Baroque that we're going to be seeing throughout this Baroque period, throughout the quarter. You know what I mean.